Hi guys, if you want to clear thumbnail cache in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. To clear thumbnail cache files manually, first of all, right click on the Start button and then go to File Explorer. And now here in the Windows Explorer search bar, simply type %local app data % and then press enter. And now the app data local folder will appear. Inside this folder, you will have to look for a file named iconcache.db. So let's scroll down and check. And in case if you didn't find the file iconcache.db, then simply click on this view option and then click on show. And here select the hidden items option. And once you enable the hidden items option, again look for the file iconcache.db. And now you will be able to see the file iconcache.db. Here you can see. Once you see the file, simply select the file iconcache.db. Simply select it. And once you select the file, after that simply press Shift+Delete key on your keyboard. And now you will be asked for the confirmation to permanently delete this file. So here simply click on yes. And the file iconcache.db will be permanently deleted. And once you delete the iconcache.db file from the local app data folder, simply restart your computer. And now the thumbnail cache will be reset and rebuilt, and all the thumbnail related issue will be fixed. To clear thumbnail cache using disk cleanup, first of all go to the Windows search and type disk cleanup and then open the disk cleanup tool. And now here on the disk cleanup tool, simply scroll down and here you will see the thumbnails option. Simply check it. If you want to clear other files, you can keep them selected here as well, like recycle bin, temporary files or any other files. Right now, I want to just clear the thumbnail cache. So I will keep selected only the thumbnails option and I will uncheck everything else like this. I have unchecked everything else and only the thumbnails option is selected, and then simply click on OK. And now it will ask you for the confirmation to permanently delete these files. So simply click on delete files button and all the thumbnail cache will be cleared. And once you clear the thumbnail cache, simply restart your computer and the thumbnail cache will be reset and rebuilt and all the thumbnail related issue will be fixed. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily clear thumbnail cache in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.